All right, so we're going to start off live. I am at Strucsoft GRAITEC with the fellas. Everybody knows everybody here. Anthony, Brandon Ainata, and Nikish. Did I say that right, Nikish? Yeah, Nikish, you're a new face for me. Tell me a little bit about who you are. He didn't want to be on camera.
So I'm the solution architect here. So I am the technical side of the sales team and provide you with demos, figure out the scope of your business so that we can integrate with your software.
Yeah. Awesome. So as everybody knows, GRAITEC Strucsoft has been a huge supporter of us through the years. And I think it's been a mutual thing. It's been amazing, right?
Yeah, I was going to say happy and willing supporter. Yeah, absolutely. It's been a great thing to be part of this.
How's the show been so far?
So far it's been great, yeah. It's really busy, especially this morning. A lot of interest. You can really see that the industry is taking to offsite. Big amount of people coming in, looking at how they can revolutionize, their software journey. So we're really excited to be here and have those conversations.
Got it, good. And by the way, I'm self-filming today. Vince wasn't able to make this trip, so hopefully the sound's okay. You're probably hearing a lot of background noise. My audio skills are not so great. But hey, we're going to walk around and check the place out. What do you think?
Yeah, sounds
cool.
Good.
All right, guys, we'll catch up with you.
All right, see you.
All right, so we're going to walk over here. I just want to check my settings real quick, make sure the feed's coming out okay so everybody can hear it. So, a little bit of a lull. We're at the end of the day right now. So being that it's the end of the day, it's kind of cleared out, which making it easier to live stream. There was so many people in here. Obviously, one of the biggest booths here is the MyTech booth, which everybody can kind of see. But there are more vendors of automation, equipment, robots here than ever in the past. I mean, it goes back like 10 years before they had so much happening. We got our good friends from Vertec over here doing what the Vertec team does as well. I'm assuming this is MyTech's new product or panelized product that they've been working on. Obviously, they have all their equipment and machines out here, but I figured I'd take you on a quick walkthrough of what they have going on. And again, how you doing?
Pretty good, you, sir.
I'm doing well, thanks. All their automation equipment they have here. They were running these machines earlier today, but what's that? Yeah, you guys want to run it real quick? We're live.
Absolutely. Fired up.
How's the MyTech folks been, huh?
Good.
Good. Ah, so you got the stall running inside. And it's going to feed from over here, right? Got it. So it's grabbing the 2x4s from here, bringing it through, which is probably just self-flipping. Going to run it in the machine. It's going to cut it. And then it comes out this back end over here. And then you guys got a sorting machine. Yeah. What's up? How you guys? Good. Yeah. Nice to see you. Hey, thank you. And it sorts it out. But there's a whole lot to see here. So we're gonna work our way down the middle aisle. You'll probably run into some people that you know and love and have seen in the past, which we love. I do love what Vertec has been doing over the years. How you doing? If they're available, but we do love our Vertecs. Make sure you wave.
Hey.
It's good to see you. Yeah. So, all right. As you can see, it goes all down from there. We started off over to the right here with our friends GRAITEC Strucsoft. You got the triad machines here. You got your load lifters. Even on the back side over there, you have carriers. People have brought in their carrying systems. But all of these machines have been running demos through the day, which has been great. And I'm telling you, the turnout has been through the roof. And I will tell you and I've said it before, this is my favorite show because people come here to do business, and that's what it's all about. They're here to learn. There's product demonstrations. There's so much going on. Our good friends at Paragon, we've had them on the show in the past. Let me walk you down some of the aisles. Got our good cue for us. What's up, fellas? But this is really to give you guys kind of an inside look of what's going on here so you can kind of see who's here, the people are here, what they're displaying. Shredding and compressing. What do you guys do?
We shred and compress.
What are you shredding and compress? The leftovers?
Yeah, all the scrap wood.
Yeah.
So if you got a truss plant, you got a lot of leftovers. You're trying to either create a product out of it, say you want to create mulch or animal bedding or boiler fuel.
Right.
Or if you just want to just downsize it to where you can get more into it.
Perfect.
So you have fewer haul and tip charges going to the dump. You can.
Got it. And so with it then, you guys are actually the ones coming and getting the equipment and doing it, or is it a machine that you supply?
We're supplying a machine to the manufacturer.
You are. Perfect.
Manufacture trusses, and they're trying to reduce the volume of their waste. We sell them a shredder to reduce their waste volume.
Got it. And then they can repurpose it for something else.
They can repurpose.
And that's
bigger pieces, and say that goes to mulch, maybe boiler fuel, and then if we get smaller, we can go down to, say, animal bedding.
You're really hitting the sustainability side of the
Trying to
market,
turn your trash into cash, brother.
Trash into cash. I love it. What's the name of the company? Lima. And where are you guys out of?
Fort Mill, South Carolina.
And how good's the show been for you this year?
Pretty good.
Yeah? There's been a lot of people here. It's a big show. And we are live, just so you know. Okay. It's not a thing, so awesome. Well, I appreciate it. How do people find you? How do you spell your website? What do you do?
WEIMA.com.
WEIMA.com. Lima. All right, perfect. Thanks, fellas.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Hey, there's our good friends over there. I know, they love when I catch them. The show been real quick.
Oh, the show's been excellent.
Yeah.
Traffic's good, but largest show we've had since 2007. It's been great.
Since 2007, yeah. And but you're like me. You've been on the road forever, right? Housing Innovation Showcase in Washington just a few weeks ago. Now here. Yeah. Does it ever end?
No.
Yeah, perfect. And you guys are raising some money for the foundation here too, right?
We are. Yeah, it goes for a really good cause. The money that we raise through the foundation goes to everything from wounded veterans to buy to build mortgage-free houses,
right?
To people in the industry who are facing things like natural disasters or fires or medical emergencies, that kind of thing.
So it's the industry supporting the industry and outside of the industry as well.
Exactly.
Love it. Thanks, fellas. It's got a lot to cover this year.
You got your phone out, Dave. QR code right there, buddy.
Oh, so we can just scan. We could probably just, zoom in if anybody wants to donate, right?
That's right.
Yeah, please do.
There you go. They'd love it. The veterans would love it.
Well, there's matching funds by the exhibitors through the show.
Matching funds, yeah. Perfect. Thanks, fellas. Good. Oh, look, we got our hook, folks. Off the hook is what the shirt says. I don't have an off the hook sleeve or a shirt with that on my sleeve.
The what?
You're live on TV at the moment.
Hello.
I was heard we had to interview you.
No. Oh, come on.
Yeah. So how long you been with these guys?
A year and a half.
Year and a half? Best hooks in the industry.
Absolutely.
I love it. I got to travel with one for a couple months. Remember? I'm going to take people over here just to show them and remind them. But so I mean, it's all remote control. Makes it easy to connect. Makes it easy to get disconnect. Thank you is the word.
And then with the push of a button,
Yeah.
you will just release them.
And they all just go back. I love it. Well, listen, OTH has been part of what we do.
The first show was here in Omaha 5 years ago.
Yeah, it was 5 years ago in Omaha.
Yeah.
This is a good place to have a show, though. It's a nice area, right?
The VIP.
Yeah. And what do you do, Rose?
I'm the office manager.
Oh, so you have all the headaches
Yep.
At the beginning.
at the beginning.
I started and now I'm doing sales.
You are? Yeah. And how's it been so far?
Fun.
And be honest.
I get
No,
to
I'm just
travel,
kidding.
so yeah, it's definitely fun.
Yeah, yeah. Well, listen, when you got cool products that people love, it's pretty easy to sell, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm coming back for one of my sweatshirts. I love that. I still wear that black one, but now I got a little paint on it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So you may see me come back. So I got a lot of ground to cover
Thank
here,
you.
but
Bye.
good to see you guys. Thanks. Nice to meet you. Good, good. We got the Trussmatic guys here on the right. They're busier. We'd stop in and chat them up. Love what they do. Right? How you guys doing? Good? Doing good? It's live right now. Yeah, yeah. There's a little bit of delay, but we're live right now.
Should I say hi to my mom? Is she watching?
You can say hi. Tell me a little bit about Leadership Resources. What do y'all do? And you got to speak up because I'm not using mics on this one.
Oh, I'm sorry. So we do full leadership development from executive coaching all the way down to entry-level emerging leaders. We also do business strategy, so we work with leadership teams, owners at the strategic level. When we integrate both of those things, we are able to cascade all of that through the companies. We work heavy in this industry. We have Mead Lumber right here on our testimony.
Right, right.
We've worked with those guys for a long time.
Got it, got
Been doing this
it.
for about 25 years.
25 years in the business?
Yep.
Excellent.
David?
You're seeing it. I travel the world showcasing innovation in construction, and we have a huge network of over 3,000 executive interviews, and the whole idea is to bring people together so we can build a better world. Simple.
Love it.
So, love what you guys do. Keep up the good work. Yeah, you too. And your mom probably heard you. Yeah, yeah. Working our way through. All right, we're going to work our way down this way. And then I'll come back up. We got the forward team over to the left. We got Hundegger here. I don't see Steve Schrader, but if we run into him, we'll bring him up. Clark Industries is here. You got Alpine set up on this side. Yeah, I'm just going to walk you through. Clearly a popular place. How you guys doing? Good. How y'all doing? Good, good. Yeah, I'd like to stop and talk to everybody, but there's so much happening in the space right now that it makes it kind of hard to do. But I do want to get over here and see the forward team. Their booth has gotten really nice. I'm very impressed by it. Pass load, obviously, here with the framing guns and everything that they do. You know what? I walked right past where I wanted to go. Let's come back over here. Fair build. I'm not too sure, but they look like they're doing AI, and we're going to talk to them in just a minute. How you doing? I see people coming and going. We got the bot build guys. We got Alan. Say hi, guys. We're live.
How's it going, guys?
Good. How's Forward doing?
Awesome.
Yeah, you guys are really moving and grooving, right?
We're trying. Yep.
I was talking with Ben earlier, and he said it's just nuts, you know, how busy you guys are, and Moducore and Bot Built, you guys are working together.
Site services.
Design is, right? Workforce labor.
Yep.
You're still doing workforce labor, right? And then consulting and factory setup work, right?
Yep.
How's the show been this year for you?
Pretty good. Pretty good. We've had some pretty good traffic.
Yeah.
I've been staying engaged several times, so that's good.
That's positive. I saw Ben must have saw me coming with the camera because he just ran off. I watched him. I'll find him. Good seeing you guys, man. I'm glad. All right, we'll keep working our way through. Here we're going to show you some of the robotic technology that's here right now. They're just getting the machine back and running.
Yeah, just starting another batch.
Yeah? Tell me a little bit about what you have going here. We're live right now.
Yeah.
So we haven't caught up to you yet on this feed, but tell me a little bit about Sawtooth.
So Yeah, just kind of started up recently.
Yeah.
And yeah, so this is our first ground up system. We've done retrofits with the old HOD systems.
Yeah.
And this one is faster, a little bit more efficient, a little more unique on how we're putting the plates on.
Right. Well, let's see what it does here.
Yeah. So we're dry running right now with no plates. We just plated a bunch of boards.
Okay.
Starting to run out, so we want to preserve some of the ones we have.
Right.
But yeah, so it's pulling nail plates out of here, plating them on magnets and placing them on the boards, and then they're shuttling out here.
To the right?
Mm-hmm. Yep, to the right, and they're sticking out. So the difference between this system is we only plate on one side of the board.
Yeah.
So we can get most of the plates. So as long as they're on one side of the board, if there's a board that comes in with a bottom and a top plate, it'll default to the bottom, because those are the hardest to get to on a manual system.
Right.
So that truss on the ground right there has all of the bottom plates done, and it's just missing a couple of the top plates.
It's just missing a couple of the top plates.
Yeah.
So it's feeding from this side here?
Yep.
And then working its way across?
Yep, it's working across. So they have these little shuttles that run around, so they can kind of duck down over each other.
Right.
So yeah, so that one will run it through, and once it drops off, they'll come back and grab another board.
Right. Yeah, pretty good. Well, very cool. How's the show been for you so far?
Great, yeah, it's been great. Everyone's awesome.
Yeah.
Talked to a lot of nice people. And
Right.
Good feedback.
Good. Ryan, what's just want to put you on camera real quick. What is the best way to contact you guys and learn more?
Sawtooth Robotic. We have cards over here. We're out of Boise, Idaho.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't have our number off the top of my head, but we got some cards over here. If you guys are ever in town,
we're gonna come by.
Check out the shop.
Hey, we love Idaho. I mean, we've been to Audubon and all the other places starting to use the robots, and I mean, this is really cool how it's working. Yeah. So they were down.
Yeah, a couple.
To stop running the plates because you're running out of plates.
Yeah, every time we pause to switch between plates and no plates, or even empty with no boards, we have to stop, make sure the system. We just run through an initialization so they know what to do.
Got it.
So it's usually pretty quick. Sometimes I forget to load files fast enough because it's running through them. But.
Yeah. Well, Ryan, nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. So like I said, I mean, this year everything is here. There's so much going on. Just from your traditional lumber, there's a lot of lumber salespeople here, lumber suppliers here. The other side of the system we were just looking at to the right. And again, I said it before, I'll say it again. This is one of my most favorite shows because of what's going on here. WoodTech, come on, give me some love real quick. Joe.
How are you, Dave?
Good. I got my wide angle camera here. So, all right. So, Joe, you've been on the show before. Your dad's been on the show before.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about WoodTech Systems and how you are servicing the industry.
Yeah, so we sell new and used roof truss, floor truss, and wall panel equipment all over the world. Help with plant layouts and stuff like that.
Right. And so you can help people find the equipment they need when they're setting up a plant as well, right?
Absolutely, yep.
Yeah, and so you guys do everything from saws, Wyman machines, you name it. You guys repurpose it.
Yep.
And do it.
We've seen it all. Yep.
And how much of a territory do you cover? Just here in the States? You go to Canada?
All over the world. So we've sold to every continent except for Antarctica. I think it's like 20-something countries we've sold to.
20 countries, yeah. So if you're looking to buy equipment, if you're starting a factory, you don't have the money for the new stuff, they probably have new stuff that hasn't been used.
Too. Yeah,
that hasn't been used. How do people get a hold of you?
WoodTechSystems.com. All of our contact information's on there. Check it out.
Can they go on your website and actually see the equipment that you have for sale?
Yep. So
you
can see everything on there. And,
Right. Cool, man. Appreciate it, Joe.
Thanks, Dave.
Yeah, have a good one, guys. Yeah, WoodTech's been doing this for a long time, and they really do have the inside bead on the equipment there. In fact, I just referred some equipment to them, and that's what it's all about, trying to bring people together and understand where they can get what they need for their manufacturing facility. In fact, I have a meeting coming up here shortly, somebody wanting to start a new one. But you can see zero labor robotics on the left and right. Try not to walk too much in front of people. Sorry, guys.
they had a guy come in and do everything.
So these are the Rogue machines. All right, looks like it's one of 84 Lumber's machines. Obviously very, very busy. We'll go back and talk to them. They're out of Mississippi. How y'all doing? Good, good. Yeah, Earthbound. Can you tell me a little bit about Earthbound real quick?
This is Dave Cooper. How are you?
I'm doing well. We're live right now.
We've seen you before.
Yeah, so let me back mics today.
Okay.
What do you guys do? What is all this stuff?
So we do cast in place concrete anchor bolts.
And
threaded rod hold down.
Got it.
Take up devices, shrinkage compensating for the movement of the wood frame. So we got
Chubby Smack.
Chubby Smack, very. We have turned it into a line of anchor products. Chubby Smack anchor products.
Right.
So cast in place, really designed for your post-tension podium decks.
Okay.
Like designed towards hotels.
Right.
Like
How's business been for you?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah. So these are a very popular product. The one that's really taken off for us is the flush top sill bolts right here, especially on those post-tension podium decks.
Right.
Where you can't post-install an anchor, where you have to actually cast it in place, have it set beforehand, and then pour your concrete. And having to hand on each and every bolt. They can actually take their machines, their power trowels, go right over the top of it. Every single bolt, just like it's like slab on grade, and there were no bolts there.
Right.
And they come around, pop out the nubby, throw in a rod stud. They're off and free. Rounding, anything that they got to worry about with their. So my name's Tyler Kane. I handle the East Coast, kind of the Eastern market for us. We got Carson Espinosa in California. We got Gary Hampton handling the West. The company's based out of Seattle, Washington, but we do wide. Everything on this table except for the threaded rod is all manufactured by us in-house.
Cool.
So we sell direct, ship direct, everything nice and neat, however a customer wants it, whether it's by building or by floor. So they can call us direct. I actually don't know the office number, but they can find us on chubbysmack.com. It's really our best website.
I love it.
Details on
Chubbysmack.com.
Chubbysmack.com.
Love it.
Yes,
Appreciate you, man.
All right.
Thanks. Take care now. Yeah. You know, some of the best innovation 10x10 boost, right? How you doing? Tell me about Botmark.
Well, we were framing contractors in 2013 to 2000. We've seen our reason to have a way to accommodate. We couldn't train kids in to read. We needed a simpler way for them to do layout. Okay, and so we've got a system now where we can take a kid out of high school, no knowledge of a tape measure, never look at a blueprint, and he can lay out that building of experience and be marking more detail.
How do you do more with less, right? Less skilled labor. So how do you simplify it so you can use more unskilled labor to get the same results?
Get the same results on the technology does all the brain work for you now. I mean, and then we work in all these different environments that.
Anywhere you got to lay out walls, whether it's wood, concrete, steel,
wet, dry, windy, everything. You gotta accommodate it all.
Dean, how do people get a hold of? Is it Botmark?
Yeah. Yep. You just go to botmark.com and we got contact information on.
We're live here. I'll show you there. Live. So yeah, the details. Hopefully, brings you some business.
And the accuracy is there. We do the training to. So when you start to prove it, you can prove it, and when you finish up, you're done.
I mean, that's what it's all about, right?
That's what it's
100%.
all about.
Take all the guesswork out. Like I said, everybody's struggling with skilled labor, so it's another tool for their toolbox.
Yeah, it encourages, it gives that opportunity for the young people that want to join the trade to advance right to the most of that construction part of it.
So I can basically go out and entire help is what you just said. Very much. Appreciate you. All right. We're going to pick it up as we go through.
I wasn't going to tell anybody until we got done here, but
You got the robotic loaders as well. There's a lot of plating equipment here. Let's kind of scoot through because we're running a little bit out of time. We got to be places and do things. Right? But I do hope that this is friends CombiLift. Every one of the best factories that I've been in use the CombiLift equipment. I love it, not because they support us, but they literally are. If you ask anybody in the industry, these are the best machines to be using because of the ease of use in small station within a factory. We got Binderholtz in the house. Hey, Vertex is here. 'Tis the season. Dave's here with his camera.
Are we live?
Oh, we are.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, Israel and Jonathan. Vertex, man.
Yeah, so, it's just kind
Oh, you do? You have the pin on. Look at you go. I got one for you if you need it after I'm done here. I'll drop it off.
Great. Thanks, Dave.
How's the show been for you guys?
All right, not too bad. Good.
Yeah? How's business been?
During lunch.
Yeah, well, everybody goes for lunch, right? A lot of walking around. Tell us, just everybody out there that's not familiar with Vertex, give us a spiel. We're not mic'd up, so you got to speak up.
All right. Well, Vertex BD. It's our 3D framing system. We have a lot of production home builders using our house option management system, and then prefab construction companies using it for component manufacturing and pre-cut packages.
Yeah. And you got some of the biggest factories in the world using your software.
Yeah, we're global. Some of the biggest ones are in Sweden, Northern Europe, running GRAITEC lines, lineman lines.
Yeah. So you're looking at yourself on camera. All right, Israel, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Oh, I'm technical support. Help the customers out whenever they need some assistance with the software.
Right.
Get them on board. Get them using the software.
So you take care of the tech side of it. So if somebody has an issue, they can call you and you can say, here's how you troubleshoot that, or even just guide them if they don't know how to do a certain key punch or something, right?
Yeah, and then the initial training as well.
Right.
Going on the right foot.
Got it. How do people get a hold of you guys?
Argos.com. You got contact support. Send me an email.
Yeah. Jonathan, I've known you, and Israel, we've known you for quite a few years now, man. You guys have done a lot of great stuff in the industry. And they're as nice as they look, too. Got it. So Argos Systems, right? And the software is the Vertex BD.
Right, yeah.
So people understand.
Vertex Systems is our parent company in Finland, and then they have offices around the world as well.
Right. Good. All right, fellas, I got to keep moseying on.
All right. Okay,
good to see you. Yeah, all the time. Here's this Fairbuild. I keep seeing Fairbuild. I saw Fairbuild over there.
Yes.
Can you just give me a quick rundown on what Fairbuild is?
Fairbuild is an AI contract review app.
An AI contract review app. So if I have a contract and I'm not a lawyer,
correct,
I can throw my contract into Fairbuild and it'll show me all the things that I need to watch my butt for.
It'll show you, what you should look out for, and it'll offer you option, like some new language that is more favorable to you,
right,
which you can accept, reject, or edit to your personal terms.
Got it.
It's got a redlining feature, and you can print out a clean version or the redline version.
So with it then, with AI, I'm assuming you had a team of lawyers just go through and start feeding it, really good information so you get the accuracy on it?
Kent Pagel, who's one of the SBCA, is actually one of our founders.
He is.
And he built the playbook that
great.
Fairbuild works off of.
Yeah. Well, perfect. How do people get a hold of Fairbuild?
They can reach us at fairbuild.ai online.
And Tamara, what do you do here?
I am in marketing.
You're in marketing?
Yes.
Oh, so you're the perfect person to catch.
Yeah.
Yeah, love it. Well, we're live.
Okay.
So you did a great job, and I saw the booth here, and I saw it over there. Is this your first year here?
This is, yes.
Right, right.
We're launching. This is where this is our grand.
Oh, this is the coming out party.
Yes.
I love it. How's the show been so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it has been a lot of traffic. It dies down this time in the afternoon.
Yes, it does.
Everybody starts belling up to the bar somewhere. They are contractors and framers, you know?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
They're saying, thank you so much for your time.
You.
Yeah, appreciate it. I'm Dave Cooper Live if you wanted to look it up.
Thanks.
Absolutely. All right, let's skate around here. A lot of the recycling folks.
Are you enjoying the show so far?
It's good. It's good to see those things for sure. They're coming out with drinks. How y'all doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good. All right. Tell us a little bit about what you're showcasing here today, if you don't mind. We are live, so who is it? Why? You guys aren't all going to walk around. We do this every year here. So tell us a little bit about the company.
Well, Warehouse has been around 125 years.
Yes, they have.
Today we're showcasing a lot of our software and the solution it provides with the layout, the labeling, the intersect marks, the ability to cut holes in the web stock.
Right,
so
right.
We're just featuring all of the software solutions and how that ties into our product line.
Into your product line, right. And where are you guys based out of? Headquartered, I should say.
Headquartered out of Seattle.
Seattle, right. And you guys, I guess Canada and U.S. is your main territory, or?
I would say the U.S. pretty heavily.
Right, right.
We are in Canada as well, but primarily a lot of the scale goes to the U.S.
So it's mostly on the software side? What about lumber distribution, or are you working with?
We have lumber, we have OSB panels, engineered wood.
Got it.
And then the software that drives the different solutions available with the engineered wood. But very big into lumber and OSB as well.
A lot of people see the stamp on the lumber and the wood, but I don't think they ever get to meet the people behind it. That's what we're here doing. So, well, I appreciate it. I'm Dave Cooper from Dave Cooper Live.
Nice to meet you.
This is all we do is showcase innovation around the world. So thanks.
You bet.
You can't hide all the time.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right. Hey, where you been?
Where I been?
All right, we're live right now. Oh, yeah, John. Yeah. So John is the fast-talking Southerner.
Hey, that's right. No.
Jonathan, tell us a little bit about your company. We had you on. We did an interview, I think, last year. We sat in the booth. But tell us a little bit about Paragon real quick and how you're changing it.
No. So I'm John Holland, president of Paragon Component Systems from Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we make truss design software that's independent of any other plate supplier. So you can use us however fits best for your business. We do everything from what you need to build in the plant, to do on-site projection onto tablets, on phones, whatever else you want to do it on, truss design on the upfront. We do a lot of things different for other people, and that our software is entirely software as a service, runs from the cloud.
Right.
So it's unique. It was hard to build. I'd worked on the project in January for 12 years. And we finally launched it last year at BCMC.
Right.
So.
And what I love, it comes from industry, because your family has been in this industry for a long time. You have been in this industry in a long time. And I'm sure along the way there's been, hey, we got to do something different. Dad, grandpa, whoever started it. And now you guys have it up and running in a big, big way and growing.
Absolutely.
You're now like 17 people, I think you said earlier, right?
Yep. We're onwards and upwards. We started, my grandfather started the plant in 1962. That was the beginning, and it's still going strong. Clear Span Components in Meridian, Mississippi.
Yep.
We started exclusively using our own 2020. It's been ever since. Between internal software, how good it's got to be and how polished it's got to be, versus ready for the rest of the world, there's a big step.
Right.
We spend a lot of time trying to get it where it's at the booth, ready for the rest of the world to use.
There's something about you that makes me feel smarter every time I talk to you.
Oh, hey,
you
too, Dave.
Well, listen, I looked for you over there. You were busy with somebody, so we'll swing back by. I'll be here tomorrow as well.
Hey, that
and maybe we can show people the stuff.
I love it.
Hey, good seeing you. I'm glad we ran into you. All right, of course, you got your Simpson strong tie down on that end. Dan Hydraulics, hey, fellas, how you doing? Good. We got our Randeck folks up here to the left. We got to always give shout-outs to our friends at the SBCA. Say hi, everybody. It's been a good show so far?
Awesome show.
It has been awesome, right? Yeah. Talking safety. Well, that's what it's all about, right? Going home with all your fingers and toes. For sure. The Randeck folks eating food when I come through live. Got popcorn in your teeth, huh?
lunchtime.
It's lunchtime?
Yeah.
How you guys doing?
Good. How are you? Good.
Yeah, doing good. You guys are coming to our event tonight, which will be fun.
Yes,
Super excited. I'm going to stand back. You got to speak up because I'm not using a handheld. As you can see, I'm all wired up here. Like, you know, hopefully the cops don't come and ask me questions. All right, so tell us a little bit about GRAITEC. We've had you on the show, British Offsite, you know, and so many other places you're in. Tell us a little bit about GRAITEC.
Yeah, so coming out of Sweden, an automation company, a lot of years in this kind of industry, all the way back to the 40s, but from the 60s basically.
Yeah.
Being in this line of work, automating the process of prefabrication, basically.
Yeah.
Walls, floors, trusses.
Do you have anything new coming out? What's the exciting stuff happening?
Yes, we are part of the innovation grant. We showcase our latest solution for subcomponents.
Okay.
So robotics for automation for subcomponents manufacturing.
Yeah.
Could either be tied into an existing line or line we configure, or it could be sitting as a standalone unit as well.
Yeah. And so you guys are based overseas, or do you have an office here in the States?
So based in Sweden, but we're building up around the kink.
Yeah.
So we speak as well.
Yeah. So Dennis, tell us a little bit about what's your role here.
Yeah, I'm the Director of Operations and Sales here for GRAITEC Inc.
Okay.
My job is really to get the office in Atlanta up and running. Yeah. So doing quite a bit of stuff there. You know, service technicians, hiring them on board, and parts and sales and everything else that comes with it. So, yeah, it's been fun so far.
Awesome. Darren, come on now. You got SCM on your shirt.
Yeah. No, SCM's the dealer distributor for GRAITEC in Canada and the United States.
Okay.
And I'm the product manager, responsible for sales of Ottawa, zero labor lines.
Yeah.
That GRAITEC has my direct responsibility.
And the zero labor line is kind of what like British Offsite's using, is it not? Similar?
Absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Absolutely, 100%.
For sure. And how about you, Paul?
Yeah, so I work with North America as my main focus, but I'm based in Sweden. So do a lot of work with Darren and Dennis, supporting our customers, doing the work to make sure they're getting the configurations and lines that they need.
And you don't have to have a cool European accent to work with you guys. Obviously, Darren's here with from Canada. How's the show been for you guys so far?
It's good. It's great. It's great to be back.
Yeah.
I mean, we like this event. It's very condensed, and it's the right people to meet.
Right.
It's very efficient over 2 days on the floor here.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's the end of the day, which is better for what I'm doing now because there's so many people and I can never catch anybody when the booths are full. But Christian, why don't you just remind everybody what your role is? We've done this once before.
Yeah, I'm the sales manager.
Yeah.
Also based in Sweden, but I have the global responsibility for sales. So working closely with Dennis, for example, and other entities.
Well, cool. All right, well, we're going to see you guys in a little bit, right?
Absolutely.
We're going to have some fun, have some drinks.
There you go.
Maybe do some business. All right. Good seeing you, fellas. Hi, how are you? Good. All right, so we're going to wrap it up here on this side in just a second to show you a little bit more. Again, this TrueBuild software is everywhere. Eagle Metals has been here for forever. You know, it's funny, Eagle Metal, but they do a lot of truss design work, and their software is for the wood industry and for the steel industry, I believe. I love these guys and their machines. They're so cool how they build them, the way they look. This one is a new one. I haven't seen this one yet. All right. Lock in. You guys can take a look how they have their system set up. They got their saws. All right, let's walk over here, and we're going to wrap up. You got, like I said, Simpson here. We got more machines down on the other side, and we didn't even hit all the aisles here. I'd love to, but it would be a 2-hour show, just trying to get around. But we got the Wyman and Styles guys here. They've been amazing. And maybe you just need to wave at the camera and say hi. You guys having a good show so far? Yeah, Styles is killing it, man. I see Wyman machines in pretty much every factory I'm at.
We'll get more in.
Yeah. I was telling you guys earlier how I put a GoPro at the bottom of the nailer, and it came out alive.
I would like to see that.
Yeah, well, I'll pull it out and show you guys. But everything's been going well for you?
Yeah, good show.
And you guys are busy?
Yes, we are.
Yeah? Darren, just real quick, so I don't take you away from what you're doing here. What's your role in the company?
I'm a regional manager for Styles.
Yeah. Right. So you deal with all the headaches and the sales.
Yeah,
and
on the Wineman side.
And the Wineman side.
Yep,
Perfect.
For sure.
Perfect.
I got a big portion of the Northeast out
Right.
to the Dakotas and down to North Carolina. So
perfect.
We're busy.
Love it. And how about yourself, Lance?
Advanced Machinery. I'm out of Utah and cover Utah, Idaho, Montana, Oregon, Washington for Wyman.
There you go. Well, perfect. All right, guys. I'm going to keep moseying on, or I'll never get through here. Glad to see you. All right. I think we're gonna wrap it up over here. They're reloading this plate machine. So, all right, everybody, listen. So I'm Dave Cooper. Hopefully that was a good little insight tour of what's happening here at the show. There's a lot going on. And I think that if you have not been to BCMC and you're in this space, you need to come to BCMC. Check it out. Meet the people. I mean, there's real business being done here. This is where you come to find the machines, find the innovation, get the equipment that you need, and get the partners that you need. So it is a true mix of framers, manufacturers, all the way through. And people here looking for the people that can help them products to the next level. So I think that's pretty much a wrap. So there you have it, everybody. I'm Dave Cooper, and I'm going to leave you with Forward.